All right, good day everybody, and welcome back to Mathematics class with Teacher Matthew. Today we're going to take a look at lesson 12.3, geometric figures, introducing angles. Before we continue, I'd like everybody to prepare your set squares and protractor and your ruler. Prepare this before the class and your ruler. Now let's take a look at the warm-up. What is an angle? Or what do we refer to as angle? Angles can be identified by labeling the endpoints of the angle arms and the point where the arms meet. When using points to name an angle, the point that refers to the vertex must be in the middle. So for this diagram right here, we have AOB. So the angle will be on O. So we can write it to be AOB, or as you can see on the screen. Or so the angle where the point where the angle is must be in the middle. O must be in the middle. To write it like this. So this same angle could also be called angle BOA. We can also call it BOA, starting from this point, BOA. This could also be written as BOA, as you can see here, or BOA here. So the ray AO is one of the angle arms. The ray AOA is one of the angle arms. What is the other angle arm? You can tell me? That is OB, right? OB. So what other name could be used for this angle? Another name that we can use for this type of angle is called right angle. A right angle is 1/4 of a full turn. So right angle is 90 degrees. We call it right angle. Right angle. Now, one way to find a right angle is by turning a right angle tester, or follow these steps to make a right angle tester. So everybody get a piece of paper. Okay, so everybody get a piece of paper and a scissors. We're gonna follow this line, these steps. So we're gonna tear corners off a sheet of paper, then fold it in half. So we tear the corners. And now let's fold it in half. You have something like this. Make sure it's folded in half. Now, let's go to the next step. We're in this step. Fold it in half again. We're in this step. Fold it in half again. Okay. Now, we're here. So, everybody, you have something like this, right? Okay. Now, open and draw a curved arrow on the center on both sides. So, we open up the paper, draw arrows. Curve arrow on these corners. So we have something like this. Now for the back, we fold the sheet of paper. So we have like this. Now let's take a look at the workout. So this is called right angle tester. We use it to test if our shape is in right angle. So keep this paper well. We're going to use it later. Keep it well, okay? Now let's go to the workout. Now use the right angle tester to help you measure each corner of these shapes. So we're going to use this tester to measure the corners of each shape. Part A, color the corners red that are right angles. So everybody, I want you to do this now. Anyone that is right angle, color it red. Color the circle red. And color the corners blue that are greater than right angle. The ones that are greater, you color it blue. And the ones that are less than right angle, color it green. Do it now for shape A, B, C, and D. Come on, do it now. You can pause the video and use your tester to test if they are right angle or less or greater than right angle. Come on, use your right angle tester. Pause the video now and do it. Okay, now let's see. Let's compare your work. So the areas that are red are right angle. This is the right angle. This is the right angle. This is the right angle. And the corners that are blue are greater than right angles. And the corners that are green are less than right angles. Do you have the same as teacher? Okay. Now let's go to the fast finishers. Now fold your right angle tester like this. This tester can now measure 1/8 of a full ton. So we fold it. This is your tester. Fold it. Okay, so after folding, you have something like this. Right? Now, part A, measure the corner of the shape above using 1/8 tester. Circle the corner which the new tester fits exactly. And then draw hexagon that are 1/8 ton. So everybody, I want you to do this now and check with the teachers on. You will have something like this. Now, when you're done, bring out your practice book. Bring out your practice book. Now, follow the steps again to do the shape, and if you have it, you can use the same. And follow the step here. If you follow the step, you will have the same. You can pause the video now and follow the step. Then compare your work with teacher's work right now. Green is for right angle. Red is greater than the tester, the right angle. And blue is for angles smaller than the right angle. Okay, that's all we have for today. I'll see you in the next class. Have a nice day. Goodbye, everybody.